Trixie is so funny.
It's just the cutest little thing.
Yeah.
2018.
No, it's for the dog. Don't look at me. Look at the camera.
This is my 2018 Porsche Cayman, and I have to say something that Porsche owners just hate saying. It's a base. So that's actually important for this video because we're doing a battery replacement, and when you're buying a battery, there are a couple different options that you can buy within the battery. So there's a 70 series, 80 series, and 90 series for the Porsche Cayman. I have a base, but I do have a couple upgraded options in my car. So that actually puts me in the 80 series range. So that's the battery I had to get. Make sure you double check with like your local dealership or Porsche authorized dealerships to see which battery you need. They're normally VIN specific, so just have your VIN. We're gonna start by taking the plastic piece off. Great, thank you. First, we've got to take this off in order to get to the bracket and the tie down, to take these two off, and then we can take the battery out. So there's one bolt here, one bolt here. These are gonna be T20s. And that's where we're gonna start. So you're gonna have to move whatever this thing is. Don't ask me right now, it's unimportant to me. Use your boy muscles or girl muscles, whatever you do. Next, you're gonna get a 13 millimeter. You're gonna take this one off. You're gonna need an extension, so right there. Then you're gonna take this one off. I don't think you could fit an extension in here, but do you? And the last one, gotta go low. That's the third one. You're definitely gonna need an extension for that. Show us your Milwaukee because it's like one of my favorite things. So cool. Now that bracket's gonna come off. Cool. Those are gonna be 10 millimeters on those terminals. Exactly where you think they are. That's where they are.
Negative first. If you're a girl, you can probably put both feet in. If you're a little more heavy set like I am, you should only do 1 foot. Unless you want to go do some body work afterwards.
Gracefully. Nice, great job. Alright, so we're just gonna run everything in reverse. If you're gonna ask me how tight, just tight. We're lining up that bracket, that extension with the 13 going back in. Give me 3 clips. Here is 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Now put this thingy back. And next we're coating in the battery. This is your parking brake. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And that's where you're gonna plug in the car soft. So after you put your VIN in, so this is where you're gonna pull up this picture of the battery that you took so that you can have all this data in front of you.
Battery dies. Like I want to put her down and then